An Iran deal could be getting close, and the implications will shock the market. Bitcoin's ready. The stock market is prepared. Metals are rallying once again. Everybody's getting prepared for what if a deal happens. But the Iranians are a bit slow to the table here, and I'll tell you why in this video. We got a lot to discuss. Let's get it. We're talking Bitcoin, we're talking Circle, we got stocks, we got crypto, we got charts, we got macro. It's all good. Let's go. Trump said we are negotiating with Iran. Marco and JD are involved. There's been some reports that Marco and JD could be heading to Pakistan to meet with some kind of Iranian leadership. Okay, now I saw in the comment section yesterday, people are like, Lark, shut up. This is not real. Nothing's real is happening. It's all bullshit. Look, we're reporting the news as we get it coming in, okay? And we've had confirmations from some people in Iran that something is happening, some kind of conversations are happening. But then you have the Iranian Revolutionary Guard be like, we will never negotiate with the Americans. Bah. So, look, it's a complicated situation. It would be, I think, unwise to believe that there are no back channels of communication at all going on. Of course there are. The question is what kind of actual negotiations are going to start happening. Anyway, Trump says they will make a deal. Iran has already agreed to us that they will never develop a nuclear weapon. Okay? Iranian officials have told Pakistan, Egypt, and Turkey that U.S. military movements have increased their suspicion that Trump's proposal for peace talks is just a ruse. Now, why would they think that? It's not like Trump previously negotiated a peace deal, agreed to a peace deal, and the next day murdered the entire leadership of the country. Turns out when you do that, they're suspicious about new peace talks, right? Of course, we have Marines inbound to the Middle East arriving Friday, just in time for Friday market close and for Trump to turn up the heat once again, do some crazy shit, and let the markets have 48 hours to absorb. This dude is like mega concerned about markets, by the way, which is why I think that he'll be looking for some kind of off-ramp in the not-so-distant future to this whole debacle, okay? Oh, boy.